how to edit template in Figma. So first open up Figma and then just click on community here at the left side. So just need to search for the specific template that you want to edit. So as for me, I'm just going to type in template here at the top, and then I'll just set this to free since I only have a free plan, and then select the template that you want to edit. So let's say I'm going to use this one, then click on open in Figma. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load, and there you go. Now if you want to edit the text, you can just click on text here, and there you go. Now you can begin editing it. So if you wanted to edit the look here as well, you can just click on that, and then you can see a lot of options here that you can use to edit the appearance. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use from white, I'm going to change it to blue, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to edit this one as well, you can just click that and then change the fill here as well. So you can also select the colors and the positions as well. Okay, so just play around with this, so edit it however you want. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.